So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download motherboard driver. So first guys, you have to come on gigabyte.com. You can see www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website. Okay, then you can see here search button. So click to search button and then type your model number of your motherboard, Z890 Eagle WIFI7, then hit enter. Then click to product. Click to title of motherboard name. Then click to support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11. Okay, if you have a Windows 11 and 10, so you can watch this video and install one by one. VGA driver. So Intel, this is Intel VGA driver, and click to download. You can click on download, it will start automatically downloading. You can see here. So guys, it is installed. You can see 915 size, 915. Just single click. So double click to exe. Now this is extract to your system. Click to yes. Now this is extract VGA driver, Intel VGA graphic driver to your system. So it is done and close.